DJI is back, and once again proving why it's at the top of the game when it comes to compact filmmaking gear. Introducing the all-new Osmo Pocket 4, a portable powerhouse built for creators who want high-quality video without the bulk. This pocket-sized camera is loaded with new upgrades that make it smarter, sharper, and more creator-friendly than ever. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a daily content creator, or someone who just loves filming life's best moments, the Osmo Pocket 4 is here to fit right into your routine and your pocket. It features a redesigned body, a larger sensor, improved stabilization, and smarter tracking, all wrapped up in a design that's as sleek as it is powerful. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete step forward for compact video tools. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to get pro-looking footage. In this video, we're diving into everything that makes the Osmo Pocket 4 a must-have for 2025. You're watching Factic, so sit back, relax, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more future-proof tech content every week. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 brings a fresh wave of improvements, starting with its physical design. It still maintains the iconic compact form, but now features smoother curves, an improved grip texture, and even a built-in tripod mount. This makes it much more versatile out of the box. Whether you're shooting while walking, standing still, or setting up for a longer shot, this pocket camera adapts instantly. Buttons are well placed for quick thumb control, and the screen feels more intuitive, allowing for one-handed use with ease. The star of the upgrade, though, is the new 1-inch sensor. This is a game changer for image quality. It captures incredibly clear 4K video with deeper colors, improved dynamic range, and much better low-light performance. Even indoor shots or night scenes come out clean and detailed. Skin tones look natural, highlights are preserved, and shadows are no longer crushed. It's a leap forward that makes your footage look cinematic straight out of the camera. No color grading needed. While smartphones rely heavily on digital stabilization, the Osmo Pocket 4 sticks with a physical 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This provides that signature DJI smoothness. Whether you're filming while walking, riding in a vehicle, or even running, the gimbal keeps everything steady. It's not just about removing shake, it's about creating motion that feels natural, cinematic, and engaging. From sweeping pans to subtle follow shots, it makes even everyday scenes feel elevated. The rotatable touchscreen is another smart move. It allows you to flip the view instantly between front and rear-facing modes, making it perfect for vlogging, solo travel, or capturing selfies. The screen is brighter and more responsive, especially outdoors, and gives fast access to manual controls like ISO, white balance, and shutter speed. Beginners can rely on auto mode, while advanced users can dial in precise settings for creative shots. One of the most important new features is native vertical video support. Creators no longer need to crop horizontal footage or awkwardly rotate the camera. With the Osmo Pocket 4, you can shoot 9:16 videos natively, perfect for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. The gimbal automatically adjusts for vertical framing, and everything stays smooth and properly composed. This is a massive time saver and a quality booster for social-first creators. Active track and face detection have also been refined. Now tracking is faster, more accurate, and smoother. The camera easily keeps subjects in frame, even as they move or turn around. Perfect for live vlogging, pet videos, interviews, or filming kids on the go. Just tap to lock onto a subject, and the gimbal handles the rest. It's a feature that turns casual recording into polished content with zero effort. Audio has seen a major upgrade. The built-in multi-microphone array picks up directional audio based on where you're facing the camera. This results in clearer voice capture and more natural ambient sounds. Wind reduction is better, and noise filtering is smarter. Most users won't even need an external mic, but for those who want more control, there's still support for USB-C mics or wireless transmitters. The camera syncs seamlessly with the DJI Mimo app. You can preview footage, control the camera remotely, and even edit videos directly on your phone. Templates, filters, transitions, and music are available within the app, turning your footage into shareable content in minutes. And with Cloud Sync, you can back up or even stream footage in real time. Great for creators who want to collaborate or store clips securely while traveling. Battery life is another win. The Osmo Pocket 4 now supports up to 130 to 150 minutes of continuous 4K recording, and it charges quickly via USB-C. It also works well with power banks, so long shoots or travel days won't slow you down. Smart power management prevents overheating, which means you get more reliable performance even during extended use. What really makes this device stand out is its versatility. It's perfect for seasoned filmmakers who want a discreet, high-quality option for B-roll or travel. At the same time, it's welcoming for first-timers who want a fuss-free experience. Its balance of portability, power, and performance is hard to match. It doesn't try to be everything, but what it does incredibly well. Whether you're creating daily vlogs, behind-the-scenes content, interviews, reviews, or travel documentaries, the Osmo Pocket 4 gives you pro-level results without the learning curve or the bulk. It's that rare mix of fun, function, and finesse. In a world full of complicated gear, this little device just works and works beautifully. So there you have it. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is more than just a compact camera. It's a complete mobile content creation studio in the palm of your hand. With a larger sensor, mechanical stabilization, smart tracking, improved audio and vertical video support, it's clearly built with creators in mind. It takes away the stress of complicated gear and lets you focus on the fun part, capturing and telling your story. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or have years of experience under your belt. This camera meets you where you are. From weddings to hiking trails, city streets to cozy living rooms, the Pocket 4 is ready when you are. And it fits in your pocket, so you'll never miss a moment worth filming. DJI has refined everything that made the previous versions great and added just the right touch of innovation for 2025. Thanks for tuning in to Factic. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. We've got more exciting tech reviews coming your way, so hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.